Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can solve this problem that is showing here on the screen. You can see what's written there: unsupported region. Wallet is unavailable in your country. So guys, I'll be showing you guys how you can be able to solve this Telegram wallet problem. So guys can see they have been trying to open my Telegram wallet for a while, and so many persons have been actually facing this same problem. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to solve the problem. So guys, now you can see, let me go back, let me cancel out now. Let me try now to open my Telegram wallet. Let me tap on the three horizontal bar. Then let me tap on wallet. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see this is the same problem. It's still showing unsupported region. Wallet is unavailable in your country. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to fix this problem, this wallet being unavailable in your country. So guys, now from this statement right here, unsupported region, that means it has to do with the region where you're staying. So guys, now for you to be able to solve this problem, that means you have to change your region. You have to change your phone's IP address. And for you to do that, you're going to need a VPN. So guys, you need a VPN that will be able to change your region or your location. So guys, now the VPN I'm going to recommend for you guys is called Thunder VPN. So guys, now you can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, what I would want you to do is that you have to go over to your Play Store if you're using an Android device, or you go over to your App Store if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device. What you have to do is to download and install this Thunder VPN into your phone. So what I will do now is to go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. So let me tap on my Play Store to open it up. You can see my Play Store is opening up. So what I will do now is to search for Thunder VPN. So let me tap on the search icon. Then let me type in Thunder VPN. Thunder VPN. Let me type it in real quick. Oh, I made a mistake. Then let me tap on search to search it out. You can see the Thunder VPN right there, down there. So let me tap on it so you see it clearly. Let me tap on it. Right here is the Thunder VPN. So what you have to simply do is to go ahead now to install this. So let me tap on install to begin the installation. Let me tap on it. You can see it right there. You can see now it has started downloading. In a few seconds it's going to start installing. You can see it has started installing. So guys, now you can see, let's wait for a few seconds. It's going to get installed. Well guys, that's been installed. So let me tap on open on the right hand side to open it up. So guys, now you can see the Thunder VPN is opening, and you can see they're checking for network, finding best server. So guys, now you can see it here. This is the Thunder VPN. You can see this notification right here. Once you open the app for the first time, you're going to be asked to upgrade to VIP. But guys, you don't need this upgrade at all. You don't need to actually subscribe to this. You can actually use the free version, and that's what I'm actually using. So what you have to do is to cancel out of this. You can see the cancel icon there at the top right corner. So let me cancel it. So guys, now what you have to do next now is actually to choose a new location, a new region. So guys, now for you to choose a new region, you have to tap on the icon there. You can see that global icon there, the globe icon. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see there are different countries right here. There are different locations, different regions. So guys, now what you have to do now is to choose one of it. But the one I will actually recommend for you that will work for you is the United Kingdom. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. That's the first one. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's connecting. So guys, now you can see it has been connected. You can see it down there, connected. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go over to your Telegram account. So let me go back now. Let me tap on my Telegram app to open it. So guys, once you open up your Telegram account, what you have to do now is to go over to your Telegram wallet. So let me tap on the three horizontal bar at the top left corner. Then let me tap on wallet. So guys, now you can see it's opening. Let's see if that issue will happen again. Wow guys, can see it has opened up. You can see it. So guys, now you can see I've gotten access now to my Telegram wallet. You can see my balance. You can see my turn space better. You can see the balance right there. So guys, now this is how you can actually fix that problem, fix the problem of your Telegram account not being supported in your region. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can fix this using a VPN, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.